Welcome back to another weekly vlog in Boston. So it is the second week of January. Today is January 8th, day 1 of the 75 hard. I'm going to be starting the 75 hard challenge. I figured it started on a Monday. I was away last week, so I didn't really want to start it when I wasn't back in Boston yet. I think I'm going to be doing both of the 45-minute workouts indoors just because it is really cold here. It's like maybe 30 degrees. It might even be, this morning it was like in the 20s. So that's a little cold for me. I decided for the diet part of the challenge, I'm not going to be following any specific diet plan. I'm just going to be trying to eat more intuitively and trying to incorporate more whole foods into my diet. So yeah, let's get started with the 75 hard. Okay, so I just got back from the gym a little while ago. Took a quick body shower. Now I'm gonna have something for dinner. I'm just having this easy pre-made salad that I got at Target earlier, and I just did a treadmill workout for 45 minutes at the gym, and then I did a quick back and biceps workout for my second workout. It wasn't too bad. I just decided to take it kind of easier today, so I just did walking on the treadmill. I'm thinking maybe tomorrow I'll do some running if I'm really feeling like getting in there. But we'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow. I have a feeling that my arms and back are going to be pretty sore tomorrow because my arms are literally still shaking from the gym. So I already put my pajamas on. My sister got these for me for Christmas. They say coffee please, which is so me. So I already put my pajamas on after I showered. I'm so tired. I had to get up at like 6 a.m. this morning. So I'm definitely feeling tired. It's also super cold out here, so it's pretty cold. But yeah, I have the Vampire Diaries on now. I'm just gonna have something to eat and watch the Vampire Diaries. Happy Tuesday, day 2 of the 75 hard. I'm probably not going to be filming like the 75 hard every day just because it's probably going to be getting a little bit repetitive just because it's like the same thing every day. But I have class today and I'm going to be doing my workouts probably around 1 or 2. And yeah, I'm gonna go get Dunkin' because they have $2 iced coffees, which is nice. So that's my little update. My arms and my back feel sore today from my workout yesterday. I got a Stanley for Christmas, but I haven't used it yet. I don't have any water bottles left in my apartment, so I have to order some because then I can put them into the Stanley. So this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this matching sweatsuit, white sweatshirt and white sweatpants, and then I have this like flannel jacket over on top. I'm wearing these. They are Uggs. I got them a while ago, but they go pretty good with this outfit. Just got back from Trader Joe's. I got a few things. I ran in there quick. So I'll show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. I got their sourdough bread, some eggs, their milk chocolate covered pretzels. I decided to try their tomato feta soup, and I might make grilled cheese and then pair it with this soup. I got some pasta just to have. their vegetable fried rice. Also got their gnocchi gorgonzola. I've never tried this one before. I've tried their gnocchi with, well, their cacio e pepe gnocchi. So I'm interested to see how this one tastes. I'm not sure. And then I also just got some of their hash browns for breakfast. So yeah, that's my Trader Joe's haul. I wanted to give a quick update that I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going to get a haircut. So I just want to show you guys the before, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Obviously it does not look great right now. So this is the before. It's super long. I'm not sure how short I'm going to cut it yet, but I'll be sure to show you guys the finished look. I just cut my hair today, fresh chop. This light is a little bright for me, so let me fix that. My dirty martini. I'm feeling like an actual new person with this haircut. I have to definitely fix the front pieces. I'm doing like a full glam tonight. It's the debut of my new hair. This concealer creases really badly under my eyes, so I don't love it. This is why I have no storage on my phone, because I just have videos of me doing nothing. So next time I'm complaining about having no storage, this is why. I'm gonna try the dirty martini. That's good. I don't know why I just like choked on it. I just rinsed with mouthwash before, so I can't tell if it tastes a little off or not. I think it tastes good though. Okay, so I just brushed on my brows. This is strong. This is 75 hard. I am, but I'm not following the no alcohol part. LOL. It's not the right brush. Oh, this is a good song. I feel like I'm having a heat stroke. I think it has something to do with this drink. I'm actually sweating so much. So I did my eyeliner with the eyeshadow. Oh, I used the wrong contour. It's okay. I was gonna use the Dibs one, but it's fine. My eyeliner looks completely different on both sides. I'm all over the place. Love this blush. Such a big blush girl. There's something in my eye. Look at that blush. Oh my god. I feel like this light is horrible. Ah. Okay. What's next? I guess mascara. Not much left. Should I just go for it? That's a jump scare. Okay, let's do more blush. Oh, that was a lot. Oopsies. Are you serious? I will want myself. Oh my god, you can see me in the mirror. Oh, this mirror. So sure of yourself. I hope my makeup looks good. Like, I cannot even tell. These lashes are done. Curling all their lashes. I said you my exes. Sorry that you love me. Haha. Okay, the lashes are done. Lashes are lashing. Oh my god. I did not do that good. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I should use my lip plumper. You make me. I don't know about this makeup plumper. I'm gonna make another dirty martini. I'm having a little trouble getting the front pieces to stay where I want them to because I don't have hairspray, but hopefully they just figure it out. This is the new hairdo. I really love it. I'm walking home. I just got off the train.